Hey guys, Tech here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to review the Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro. Now, this was actually released earlier this year after the iPhone 13 was actually released last year, though. But the Alpine Green one is a model that was released in March 18th. Now, you can also get it in the Pro and the Pro Max. So this is a unique color to the iPhone lineup because this is actually surprisingly Apple's fifth color, which is really surprising because Apple usually goes with 4 different colors of the Pro models. We've seen the unboxing for the gold, the Sierra blue, which is a new color, silver, and of course the graphite one that we have here. So this video specifically for this one. Now the price is the same as if you're getting other color, but if you're really interested in the Alpine Green one, here's the unboxing to take a first look at it. So first thing first is we're going to go ahead and take up the tape here. And of course the ones on the bottom here will take off. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself here. And as you can see here, the green of the Alpine one, again, beautiful color overall. Honestly, this seems like a really good finish with it. Now, if you know the blue one, which we'll show you in a second here, this is where the blue one stands. So that's the blue, and then the Alpine Green one. Now there's a lot of popularity between the blue and the green one since it was released, and the gold one seems to be a lot of competition there. So we'll go ahead and take a look at this, and just a quick recap of what do you get in the box now is that the USB-C cable, and then the pamphlet here with the instruction and the SIM ejector tool for the SIM card, one sticker, and of course the safety and handling feature of the iPhone 13 Pro. So that's going to be what's all included. Now we're missing the brick, which you'll have to buy additional, cost of another $30 or so. Not sure why Apple doesn't include it, but they just don't include it any longer on these phones. So Alpine Green here, taking a quick look, and here's the phone again. Another look at the bezel here. As you can see, it has a green tint bezel here, shiny bezel overall all around, and then around it here, and then the speaker at the bottom here. And now we're going to go ahead and take the film up. Now, as you can see, of course, like any other iPhone, just power it on by holding the side button here. And now it's a good time if you're going to be transferring your SIM card to take that SIM ejector, put it in here, and then go ahead and turn it on. So as you can see here, that will allow you to transfer your phone service. So here you go. It's on iOS 15 as we expect on the latest version of iPhones. And we got the hello animation going on. And then you got that, remember, that's top smaller notch of it, 6.1-inch display. Again, just a quick overview of some of the specs here. The triple 12 megapixel camera on the back. Front has one single 12 megapixel camera. And of course, you have that A15 Bionic chip, 6 gigs of RAM, and base starting at 128 gig for the $999 one. The battery size is a 3095 mAh battery, and we'll go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi here. So all we're doing is simply connecting to the Wi-Fi connection here. So it will take a few minutes to activate, but once we're activated, again, we'll go through the setup process and take a quicker look. So this one does have that 120 hertz refresh rate, which is a new feature, along with, again, 5G, which we saw was introduced. Now it's a mainstream feature on the 13 lineup. So here you're going to want to do is set up your Face ID. If you don't, you can always set it up later, create a passcode like you normally would, or not here in this case, and then just go through the whole process again. You can either transfer your data from iCloud backup, which seems to be the most easy way to do it, or if you have a backup on your PC or Mac, all book with iTunes, you can just restore it from there, or you can even do a direct transfer for the other phone by just holding it side by side, or choose even to do it from Android, or simply not choose it. Make sure you sign into Apple ID or create one for free if you don't have one, and then set up later in settings was what we're going to use, since we don't want to activate this phone with our Apple ID. But of course, it's highly recommended you use Apple ID because you'll need it to download apps, use iMessage, FaceTime, and all the Apple services that they have to provide. So all of this stuff we're doing, simply just going through the process. And As you can see, welcome to iPhone, and we're back on the iPhone here to the main screen on iOS 15. Again, this vibrant experience. So this is what 120 hertz looks like. We're just doing a quick scroll around just to give you that feeling of the phone, how it's going to be when you have it on your hands or if you're starting to use it right now. Again, when it comes to color, as you notice here, the color, of course, from the front doesn't make too much difference, but from the back is where you see much of the differences. You got these huge camera bezels here, and then up close look at it. And again, a quick comparison with the Sierra Blue next to it. Again, want to hear from you guys, which color do you guys prefer out of the 5 colors that we have? You know, you have the Sierra Blue, you have the new green one, and then gold, and then of course silver, and the graphite as well here. So again, the lens and everything is pretty much the same build. Honestly, again, if I were to pick between these two, not really sure which one I would pick, because they are very much unique colors to the iPhone. It's a really hard pick, especially if you're trying to decide now which one to get. Again, looking at it similarly, like the front here, it's going to be the same thing. The one thing we want to show you is the new wallpaper that comes with the new Alpine Green. You'll see this new color that's introduced as well here. Again, these green colors I think are phenomenal choice, especially if you're looking to customize your phone and use the high HD wallpaper. As you can see, now you can really give it a feel to it, and of course the app library and everything that comes with using any kind of iPhone. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to buy cheaper discounted iPhones, make sure you guys check out the links we'll include in the description section, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more future updates and unboxing videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.